What's up, guys? This is George from Mega Go here. Well, today I'm starting to get into Pokemon cards. So here's my little bucket. It's a little too small. So I'm buying I have a big binder. This one, I bought that off the bus from school. And this. It came with this. So it's 100 cards. Here it. I hope I get good cards. So yeah. So let's get into our first box. Here's the big binder. I know these guys. Now, look at it. We have to connect it with these stuff. Okay? Check this. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. And the pages. Let's open this up. Oh my God, I'll leave you guys. The pages in the bottom. So yeah, we go like a little chicken, and then we go like okay, open up. I got these on, so let's shut this and let's check out the peanut butter jelly sandwich. Okay, there. Oh, I like this character. Gotita, Gotucha, penis. Booba. I already got this character. I traded it with someone else. Hey, oh my God, I gotta go and show this to everyone. Okay. This might take a little while. Yeah. I'm gonna go check out some of them right here. Oh, I have seen this. I hate this guy. 10 damage. He's like, you want to play with me? I'm like, fuck it. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go and fill these. I'm gonna fill this up. Please leave a comment if you like to, and I'll see you guys later.